Today we learn how to draw simple birds in a easy way. It will look difficult, but I will tell you in a simple process. Just you have to draw one circle very lightly and one big oval shape. See, circle and oval shape. Like that, three birds we will draw. So you have to draw three circles. See, three circles. And here you have to draw oval shape. Here another oval shape. That's it. Downside you have to put one curved line as a branch, and here you have to draw triangle, and here thin triangle. Right? Here you have to draw another triangle. Remaining is not required. So this is the basic shape. Once again I am repeating: three circles, three oval shape, three triangles, and one more triangle for wings. Now we will do final drawing. So what you have to do? Draw here eye. See, very simple process. Put here one curve. Now you have to draw beak. See, like this. Upper part you have to fill it. Simple thing. Now you have to bring this line here, curve up to this joint. Now from here you have to draw like this wing. See, like this. Now this part you have to draw a small line and connect to this. Right. Now from here you have to draw body. See, like this. And here you have to draw the legs. Yes, and this body you have to continue. Right. Now here you have to draw the wings, the back side. Yes. Now you have to draw here another two birds, those who are talking with each other. So put like this curve, and in between here you have to draw eye, and in this place you have to draw the beak. To the top part, bring here curve. Same way you have to draw the remaining birds, and a very simple way you have to color. For learning such type of easy drawing, you have to subscribe our channel. Every week you will get simple drawing, so that your hand will improve and you will get so many ideas how to draw the simple way any drawing.